Hey Lash Pros, we are here today to show you how to use the LAshX newest product, the Liquid Lam, just launched. And with me today is my beautiful client and friend Mary. She's lending her brows so I can show you how to use this product on a client or on yourself. The first thing you're going to do, if you're going to add any color to the brow, you're going to do that first. You could use a pencil, you could use a powder. Today I have Kevin Aquan's Precision Brow in warm blonde, and we're going to do hair-like strokes through Mary's brow to create the shape. Now remember, you're not coloring in the brow, you want to do little hair-like strokes so you get that natural look. So you're going to start towards the nose, and I'm going to start going up from the base of the brow, straight up. As I get to the arch of the brow, I'm going to start angling my hand towards the temple. And then back down. And what we're doing, again, we're creating shadow. You just want to create a shadow behind the hair to make it look fuller. So you're going to go ahead and place your color first. Then you're going to take your Liquid Lam product. This is like a brow gel, except that it's going to dry down solid. So once you place the hairs, they're going to stay. You're not going to be able to re-manipulate them. So you want to make sure you put them in position and let them dry in position, and then they'll be sealed, waterproof, and last you all day. So we're going to take the Liquid Lam. If you're like me and you're doing it on a client in your salon, you're going to take a clean spoolie and use that to apply the product. So again, we're going to lift up towards the nose, up. And as I get towards the arch of the brow, my hand is angling out towards the temple. And then if you want, you can kind of just roll those hairs flat so you get a more defined look. If the client has really long brows and they look a little too wild, what you could do at the top is just gently soften it to create a really natural, beautiful brow. So there you go. I'm going to have you turn. See what a difference a brow makes? I think brows and lashes can completely change the whole face without looking too made up. Thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time. Leave your comments below.